Makofi, thank you, Embraer 190. Doesn't it look superb? Now colors. And can we see the big five? There's a lion. Yes. Now, the next display will come from Phoenix Aviation in the form of one Cessna Sovereign. Sovereign, here it is. Landing. It's going to be behind us and is going to emerge. A company that was incorporated in Kenya in 2012 to provide safe, dependable and cost-effective air transport solutions to a diversity of clients. Its vision is to be Africa's most loved gold standard business aviation company. Currently, it flies to Algiers. Sorry, that was the last flypast by Phoenix Aviation. Our last flypast in the civilian category is going to be one pass only, a Dash 8 operated by Skyward Express. Skyward Express. Makofi kwao. The short takeoff and landing capacity enables this aircraft to operate in short airfields and runways. Applause, makofi kwa Skyward Express. Red and white.
Acha tukimaliza hii nitampigia alafu nitakwambia. Sijaongea na yoyote. Acha nitampigia alafu nitakwambia.
And is the premier air charter service solutions provider in Africa and beyond. Moskowitz boasts a fleet of 18, a big clap for Moskowitz, a fleet of 18 aircraft including the Beechcraft King Air 200 Special Edition and the Cessna 208B Caravan EX, which you've just seen fly past.
If you love this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Moving Pictures Kenya, telling stories from Africa.